What's up, guys? So this video may be kind of long. It's going to be talking about just two setups from last week. And then this is the first trading week of November, or second trading week of November. Today's actually Wednesday and it's 1 p.m. and some really good moves just happened in the market. We're going to talk about those as well, what my thought process was behind those. Anyways, we're going to get straight to it. I just woke up, so my voice is kind of fucked up. I think I'm getting sick. But so yeah, let's just jump into this and try to not dive too deep in depth, which I do sometimes and I hate it. But anyways, so this is the pound dollar. I'm going to go over the shorts that I called last week in our Discord, and it was publicly called out in the free Telegram chat as well. So that's cool. So again, this is price action from last week. I believe this was like last Tuesday or Wednesday right here, or maybe even Thursday. Yeah, this was FOMC of last week right here. This daily chart, this daily bullish candle. The very next day was Thursday, and then Friday would be NFP. So that's the week I'm talking about right here. And again, this is a daily chart. So once FOMC rallied up like this, I was expecting the next day to open up and engulf this whole entire bullish candle. Why? Because everyone's going to be chasing this price action because look how aggressive they moved it up. And I was bullish dollar during all these thoughts as well. So I was wanting price to open and I wanted it to come up to this daily order block and make a high, then go lower. They didn't do that for me. So I had to adjust with what they did do for me and get in sync with what they were giving me. So I wanted them to open and rally lower, take out these lows, engulf this candle, take out all of this, and then come inside of fill in this fair value gap. I'll note it here. So there's the fair value gap I wanted price to fill in. Oh God. Oh God. My bad. Hold up. I just ruined all of that. Why did it do that? Okay, slow down. All right. So they did just that, and we were able to get involved in all of this downside movement, and it was awesome. So let me dig into it and show you how I got inside of the trades. Right here would be midnight. My first entry was here. I drew a fib from this swing high to the swing low here. OTE pattern fills in this fair value gap. That was my first short entry. Nice rejection lower. Hold on a sec. My bad. Okay. Then New York gave us another entry right before the news dropped. Swing high, swing low, OTE, kill zone, take out this high, straight into this order block. Boom, lower. So that's how I got involved. They ran all the liquidity below these lows here. And then again, I was aiming for this fair value gap right here. So simply enough, that's all I'm going to say about it. I did call it before it happened, publicly and privately in the Discord. I also gave out, let's see, the USD CHF buy as well from last week. We can go over that too. That was pretty cool. Oops. Let's see. Oh, it kind of looks weird on TradingView, but on MT4, there was a really, really clean order block right here that we were able to buy to run these highs. So we were buying in here, targeting these highs and this high, and that's what happened. Another really pretty trade. So let's go back to GU and talk about GU, about what's happening for this current week. Again, what the fuck? Okay, so once I called these sells, the week ended right here, okay? Now we're in the new week, the week that just happened. Today is Wednesday. What's this green candle right here? It's a bearish order block. When I caught the sells that I just outlined for you guys, I was anticipating this bearish candle to rally down and engulf this candle and create an order block. So I anticipated the order block before it actually made an order block. You get what I'm saying? When it closed down here, it just confirmed the order block. So when it was up here, I was wanting price to go lower, and I got in those sells. I was anticipating it to engulf this candle and trade below it and close. So it would be a future daily order block. And I was correct. So we're in our new week. If you want to get in sync with this market order flow and find sells, you know, the daily chart is your friend. It's the most powerful. What do we got here? We have a daily order block. So anyone could wait for price to come back up to this bearish daily order block and then look to be a seller to continue pound sells. Right there. Perfectly hit it. So there's where you'd be getting in short for this new week. You can also draw a fib from this swing high down to this swing low. It's going to be an OTE. They come back up to a premium, which is anything above 50% of the fib swing from high to low. I'll draw it just for y'all. So it comes back up to a premium with our daily order block. So you blend that stuff together. Before they move lower again, they always want to come back up to a premium. The banks want to get the best price possible. They're not going to, once price closed down here, a lot of retail traders are going to start shorting right here. And they're going to try to chase price. Friday opened up and gave them that short. If they held on to that trade, guess what? Next week, Monday opens up and then starts to trade against them and kills them. Now they're all exiting their trades thinking price is going to go higher. There's actually a signal provider in my Discord that was that fell victim to this. Monday is this candle. They rallied up. He called buys on GBP USD Monday. He was up 100 pips. I mean no harm when I say this, but I told this guy that gives out signals in my Discord, I told him to take profits on pound right here because, and I gave him this whole narrative I just gave y'all. He told me not to worry about him and to just worry about myself, you know, and I didn't take it. I didn't get offended. I just said, okay. He's not a institutional trader. He's a pattern trader. So he just doesn't understand what I'm trying to say to him. So I didn't argue and we click play. You can see his longs got wrecked. So we have a daily order block here. We also have equal lows here. So last Friday, they don't take off these lows on purpose. They leave it there. They start rallying up. Why do they do that? This is what the context is. This is the narrative. This is what I mean when I say that they are going to engineer a setup. They do this on purpose. They leave that alone. And then they start rallying higher. Everyone's chasing that, thinking that there's a double bottom. Oh, it's resistant, or it's support, it's support, it's support. It's going higher. They come to a real institutional level on a daily chart beautifully, tick it, and then what happens? They crush them all. So it doesn't get any prettier than that. And that's just how the markets work. You know, this is on a daily chart. This shit happens on every chart, hourly, 4 hour. But unfortunately, I was not able to trade this. At the beginning of this video, y'all heard me say I just woke up. Yeah, I'm a fucking, I hate myself right now. I slept in and I had my alarm set for 7:30 a.m. to catch these moves. But for some reason, I got really drunk last night. And yeah, I just woke up and it's fucking 1 p.m. I missed everything. And I'm very upset about it. Very, very upset. And I wanted to feed my guys these trades too. I wanted to call them out publicly, which I would have, and y'all know it. Let's talk about Euro real quick. Same thing. Very upset about Euro. You go back to some of my previous videos, you could see that I kept calling this level on Euro. And I'm going to go look at it right now. 1.15 level. Why that level? About to show you why. Right here. Daily and balance. Candle in the middle of these two lines. So this line represents this candle's low. This line represents this candle's high. The candle in the middle, which is the long-bodied one, there is inefficient price action. It's an imbalance in price. They left that there to come back at a later time. I talked about that level for like the past 3-4 weeks. So if we're anticipating that level to get hit, what can we do to get involved in shorts to be able to be involved in that trade? Well, just like ICT teaches, this is the most simplest common entry pattern you could ever do. And this is the trade I would have gave out today if my dumbass wouldn't have slept in. So today's Wednesday. Here is New York open, all right in here. New York kill zone, okay? OTE pattern, swing high, swing low. Why am I not using this wick right here? Because I believe this was, 8:30 in the morning. There was a news event that happened. So you always want to check your economic calendar as well. There was a major news event, and that's what this little wick was right here, the spike down. So I'm not using that. I'm using the bodies of these candles. News, spike down, everyone chased that, then it starts coming up. Everyone's chasing the up move now, thinking Euro's going to go higher, higher, higher. Nope, all it is a simple OTE pattern. Swing high, swing low, New York kill zone, OTE, with the expectations of Euro moving lower. Take out all these guys and that 1.15 level with the expectations that dollar is going to go higher like it has been doing for the past 6 months. Another thing you want to add right here is this. Look where the high was made right here. Huge premium. High, low. Stop loss would have been fucking 10 pips. Once again, just like the free signal I gave out last week, all my stops were damn 10 to 15 pips, and all of our profits were like 50 to 100 plus pips. Anyways, so you got your OTE, New York OTE pattern. Simple, simple, simple. But look, what is this? Same shit I show every other signal / entry that I take. imbalance. This candle right here never moved up to fill in the inefficient price right here. So you would have went short right here. You could put a sell limit right here at the tip of that. The stop right above the swing high. So there's your classic ICT OTE pattern. New York Open. You would have sold. And where'd they go? They went all the way down to that 1.15 level. They went a little bit lower, which is okay. But the narrative was this level right here. Oh. Whoa, my bad. Hold up. There's that level. Look what they did. What the fuck are these things? Okay. Look what they did, guys. Look at that. Filled it in. It's not random. It's not random at all. Fucking ICT is the GOAT. I don't care what no one says. Like, I know where the market's going to draw to because of ICT, because of the way I studied his materials, because of the way I interpret his materials, the amount of time I've been doing this every single day for the past 5-6 years now. So it takes a lot of time, but you have to be able to think for yourself, and you have to be able to blend all this stuff together and just see it over and over and over and over again. And it's just beautiful. These two lines right here is the daily imbalance. You think they stop right before the imbalance on purpose? This is them engineering the setup. This is the daily chart, Euro. They stop right here, make equal lows right here. They rally higher, rally higher. Where do they go to? They go to this daily bullish or bearish order block. Right here, they go lower. They don't take out the lows. Everyone thinks, oh, it's finding support. Then they consolidate. Then they wait for that news event to come out, which is that major USD news at 8:30. Then they let it go lower and take out all the lows. But the beautiful part about it is they stop price just shy of that 1.15 level that I outlined, which was, again, over here. This level right here. This candle. That's all that was. You think they accidentally did that? No, they do it on purpose. I see it happen all the time. They stop it just shy from that level, hang out. They induce traders. They manipulate traders. They come up to a premium before going lower. Swing high, swing low. They always have to come back to a premium before moving lower. Always. They have to get the best price. But you blend that premium with one of your entry techniques. And in this case, it's a bearish daily order block. Anything above 50% would be a premium. Is this order block above 50% from this swing high to this swing low? Yes, it is. So you'd sit on your fucking hands and you'd wait for price to come up to the order block. You'd be a seller. Then you look to target old lows or any discounts. They stop shy. This trips me out. I love it. They don't hit that level. You think any traders that are buying this right here, buying Euro, where do you think their stops are going to be? Below this low. What else is below this low? The algorithmic institutional daily imbalance level that I showed y'all, which was these two lines, 1.15 level and lower. And again, another signal provider that's in my Discord was buying euro. He fell victim. Where was his stop? He told me this morning his stop was at 1.15. That's the difference between an institutional smart money trader, aka an ICT trader, and a retail trader. All right, guys. So my trading year's coming to an end. I've done all I could do this year. I am net profitable. It was a great year. I feel like this year's going to be even better, but I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you like them, let me know and I'll keep making them. Just do me a favor, and just all I ask is just, some good feedback, and like a like, retweet, a nice genuine comment, because I post these on my Twitter, and Twitter likes and retweets fire me up, so that's all I ask. Anyways, all right, guys, peace.